Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great in your life. And आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं कि वेजिटेबल सूप कैसे बनाते हैं. And this is the soup which detoxified your body, because the kind of ingredients what we are going to use in the soup is out your body to detoxify. Okay. So this is very healthy soup, guys. This is very healthy soup. You must try this soup, and it's so delicious, so filling that you your home you will keep on making every time, and it's so filling. You'll not feel hungry. Even some people who are low carbs or they are losing a weight or something, they can replace their meal with this soup, bowl of soup. And what should I say? I mean this is full of vegetables and no any carbs or any fat is there in the soup. So of course this is very healthy. This is going to be very healthy soup. Okay, so let's make the soup. Let's go to the process.